What would you do if you got a letter from Hogwarts with your name on it? I would be immediately flying a broom and trying to play Quidditch. Quidditch has become such an iconic fictional sport that's bled into the real world. Looks fun, but does not scratch the itch of flying. To fly the Nimbus 2000 would make my life complete. This project is only possible because of our sponsor, Warner Brother Games. This is as close as I've gotten to flying like Harry Potter. But this isn't real. I work at a company that makes the impossible possible. In this video, I'm gonna try to fly like Harry Potter. We need to investigate all of the options, even the stupid ones. Okay, you ready? Is it too high up? How does one learn this? I know someone's gonna be in the comments being like, oh yeah, I ride unicycles all the time. It isn't hard. Ah, too difficult. Not bad. Ah, this is fun. But one problem, still kind of lame. Oh, this is gonna take forever. God. No, not that one. I feel like there's better options. Wow, this hurts to get. Oh, I'm flying. This is not working. Wish James was here. This ought to be good.
Dear Mr. Darrell, it does not do to dwell on dreams and forget to live. There is a room here at Herc that one can only enter when they have real need of it. It is my personal workshop, and it will be equipped with all you need. You see, Darrell, any sufficiently expensive technology is indistinguishable from magic. I might not be able to be here for you in person, but I can at least help you fulfill your dream with my credit card and engineering knowledge. After all, the things we lose have a way of coming back to us in the end, if not always in the way we expect. You're a wizard, Darrell.
If only it was that easy. How are we going to make a broom fly? Ian messaged the company asking for some Harry Potter project ideas. We landed on an e-foil surfboard that we will modify to fly across the water just like Harry Potter himself. Visually, it fits perfectly. It's feasible and looks super fun to ride. So here's the plan. We're gonna buy an expensive e-foil surfboard, take off that board, slap a broom to it, rip the electronic guts out of it, and toss them into a waterproof backpack paired with a powerful ASI speed controller. It's the same robust controller we used in the Cybertruck and will give me, the rider, the best chance of flying this thing. How you doing?
Good.
Okay, you ready?
You mean ready to give it up?
Yeah.
Have fun and be safe, and let's not get hurt.
We're gonna start with the baseboard, and then we're gonna move to the broom, just to get a feel for things. We're taking this slow. We don't want anyone to get hurt today. I'm also genuinely nervous. E-foils can be very dangerous. The wings are sharp, and taking one of these to the head is not a fun thought. So I'm gonna start by being very cautious.
Look at this beauty, look at this. This ought to be interesting.
With this, it's like you're half in the water when you're starting, so you have a lot of drag. Now with the broom, we're gonna be even deeper in the water. So Mike has built this runway. I'm impressed.
I want to make a note that they make it look so easy on the website for this thing. I feel like I'm getting there, but it's gonna take some time. Yeah. This is doable.
While I'm learning to e-foil, the rest of the team is testing the first prototype, figure out what kinks it has, if it has any issues, what needs to change. So this will give me tons of time to practice. It's day 2 here on the lake. The prototype, there's some changes to it. We learned that it doesn't function the way we want it to function. When you're out on the board, can't exactly tell how high up you are. It's still something to kind of get over. There's some fear there about crashing. Today is full of just more practice. We're gonna be out here on the water for a few hours, and it's gonna be great.
We're increasing the surface area. It's prototype, right? We'll see what happens.
Look at that, I got bruises. Shout out to the YouTube members for supporting us. If you want to see an extended cut of all my test failures, that video is available now.
3, 2, go, 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 go!
Nope. Nope.
Oh, you
Are you fired up right now, dude?
Oh, I am fired up. That was wild. It's too back heavy right now. We need to get the fins on.
There she goes. And I'm probably going to be following you in again this time.
Forward on that boy.
Okay.
Okay, you're on your mark.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Yes!
Come on.
Yeah! Get it, buddy!
Look at him go. Keep going.
Go, go, go!
What?
Motor faulted.
Yeah.
What we learned from this past test at the lake with our prototype number 2 is this is a boat.
It does work good as a boat. It was great because it got you the feel where you should be on the broom.
Yeah.
I think that this wood had way too much friction on that runway. This is the new plan. 2 skateboards. Right when it gets to the end, the front will drop off and it'll get caught on a rope tied to the back. A lot more of that power is going to be delivered into the water, allowing that hydrofoil to do its job and get him up. Leave the broom! Works good. Let's see that fit. See if I got it close.
Before, the weight was all on my arms to keep me like,
I was kind of hoping to hide some of this structure kind of like in behind so it doesn't lose that whole broom look.
how does this look? Does this feel, does this like the shape of my body, does it look like a Quidditch player? Is that?
I'd say so.
Seat, the pegs,
Everything
the
in
knee rest, everything can all be adjusted back probably another 3 inches. Everything's independently adjustable. I think that'll do.
Oh my god, that's crazy. The gold makes it. This feels right. Talk to me about that.
Underneath this is actually a whole bunch of foam that was all hand carved, so that we add a little bit of flotation here.
This is gonna look great against the water. It's all gonna reflect. I think this is gonna look like it's flying.
It's on you now, buddy. I wish you the best of luck.
Off is in the middle, and then this is fault.
No half measures here. This is
100.
all throttle.
This is way more comfortable than the last go.
3, 2, 1, 0.
I think it faulted. Like immediately.
Once you hear the motor like running smoothly, you can give it full power. I just need to stop being a baby.
More power.
I'm so incredibly close to Bogdan's toes right now.
You have one hand basically right here.
Yeah, and then
the other one's like
right
this.
there. So while I fail and fail, I gotta tell you about this video's sponsor.
This project is only possible because of our sponsor, Warner Brothers Games.
I can honestly say it's not a normal mobile game.
The art style takes a whole new take on this world, and the game feels super high quality. Quirky Games did a really great job capturing my favorite world. You can step into the shoes of a witch or wizard and embark on the extraordinary adventure, attend immersive classes, learn spells, and unlock the mysteries of the wizarding world. Or master the art of spellcasting with a flick of your finger. Explore the bustling streets of Diagon Alley, customize your character's appearance, collect magical artifacts, and even get an owl. Engage in PvP, wizard duels, learn the dark arts, and interact with some pretty fantastic beasts. Experience the vibrant life of Hogwarts. Attend enchanting events, learn charms, and bond with beloved characters from the wizarding world. Download Harry Potter Magic Awaken using my link. I would love to do more Harry Potter projects. You guys clicking on that link can make that happen. That's the only way we get to do more of this. I think that was the furthest.
Just be careful, don't hit the shore, eh?
Yeah. Strap a broom to the top of an e-foil. It's gonna be super easy. What the? Three, two, one, launching.
Wow.
Heck yeah, you got this.
Unbelievable.
Basically, I was just doing back and forth with this little guy. Boom, 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 boom. Well, thanks for sticking around. If you like this type of content, hit subscribe, hit the bell, give us a like. We appreciate it. It pushes us to do big projects like this. I can't believe we did it. Support us by checking out hacksmith.store and comment if you want to see more of this. We'd love to hear from you. Maybe we could even play Quidditch. Quick thanks again to Warner Brothers Games for being today's sponsor.